So, I know you never get the privilege. So, this is not Jenny, aka Miss Jen. So, the queen, the king, and the queen. And this is my old school veteran. It's a Mullins.
Great, Mr. Mullins.
Yeah,
Jenny, and I'm going to hear a lot about it. And all the things. Let's go. It's always a pleasure, you know? It was. Yes, you know? Mr. Mullins.
So you are babes. Yeah, Mr. Mullins. Well, I see you so I see if you find some cool. Yeah, but we'll have a conversation.
Yeah, man. Feel at home.
Yeah.
My place, Puno. Make casa to casa.
Yeah.
Puno place.
That is it.
So, King.
Yeah.
You know the thing, you know, me then you have to ask if you're good enough, you know you're there.
Yeah,
A better place, you know. You don't end, you know, nice, you know. You know what I say?
And that I want to tell the youth that stay out of prison. It's not worth it.
Boy, I'm trying to show the youth some all the time, but we want to know it go, you know?
And that's why a man like you have to forever be proud of that. And what they are do and what they are accomplish. Because it's like sometimes I'm confused. I don't feel like you're not there on the ground no more. Because you're always here and you always are here. You see?
King, you will know the thing. All when me not there, me there. Remember I said the whole of this. Our business.
That is
So we have to always business, but we business.
right, yes, sir.
You know, we don't watch people business.
Ah.
So we don't know there's something go man. But yo, we have some little thing go on now in our community, you know. Just show you the people them.
Yeah.
As me tell you quick back on him foot again, so you know we soon start up the bike thing them cause we want to get most of the youths them half a corner.
You don't know anything fast. Cause the real 100 is look, you probably don't know the 100, but I look a double thing go on. And me the have to take that sabbatical there. Or else it would have cause major problems. You understand?
That's true.
So that's why me just make sure I go tuck in voluntarily and make it calm. And most people they know what
Make
want.
it just breeze off.
Yeah. But you see now, with my back on the tar, we're in full effect and we are full speed ahead.
No
You
stopping,
see?
no breaks.
That is it.
Yes, man, that me I tell you, but there's a next thing when me hear I go on still in a king.
What that?
Cause they have some boy I grab some phone about the place in me say on your side them reach. So we hear it before them reach on our side.
You know, I'm staying at the place. I hear the 100 walk on. But don't worry. A couple of command for, you know, page and send call when we reach on the board. So consider that fixed.
Me like the sound of that. Even though it's a while now, me not too hear about nothing and it never reach our side, so not too sure what go on, but yeah, King. One word.
Well, you know, sir. The general that I just introduce you to. I don't think you know yet, but him, I govern Savage and Bubbles and I like a team. So, quite possibly if you don't hear nothing more about it, him and him team go there on top of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Long time that I me know about that heavyweight there, you know? Mullins.
Yeah, man.
Long time I hear the name the man. Like how you bring him forward and me get to know the face now. So once you say him a govern the thing, an argument none of that you know he could.
And you know, the most important thing
Well that
is
now.
the on our side, fully.
Well, that is the right thing, man.
By the way, how quick, how am I come along?
Why King? That sound like a joke, you know, but till I say it's like quick is a change man right now, you see me?
Judge.
Yeah man, cause look at thing there's like him go through a whole heap and you don't know him the city in and a whole heap of time to think and Rems go something, you see me?
Yeah.
But him the good man, him you don't know carry him You remember him local family?
Yeah, man, how are you?
And the sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and them have him and them govern him thing and you don't know him baby mother. Remember I look short?
Yeah, but me no like one at a time like a shake it in.
No man, them man and woman something that man, you don't know.
That is it.
But them good man. Them good, you see me? And just the other day him start up back on him feet.
Cool.
You see me? So my forward on man. You see him? I true as what dad tell you say him kinda busy today because him have been around the people and if you're probably there a little longer before you move. You move soon?
I don't know because it's true, me have Geneva on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know, me have kind of respect for you have time too, you see?
Him a move along, man. Him a move along.
It's a joy still for you that's in a thing. And it's even a bigger joy to see the hype on the government. Say, yeah, the league still running.
All the
Moving
time.
forward, upward, continuously.
All
You
the
see?
time, my father.
Yeah, man.
King, don't worry yourself about that. Everything is alright. The greatest thing, the king is on the road again.
That is it.
Come go have a drink and all that vibes, man. My queen are waiting.
Yes, man. Please, I want to that.
You something generation. I came from the if you don't stop crying, I'll give you something.
King! Long live the king and the queen.
She's right.
Man and Mullins.
Bless.
You guys think the poor is black.
That is right.
I'm sure they're cheap, right?
That's what it's saying.
Rich is right.
Welcome home, George.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong. Anyway, it feels like coming home. Coming home, coming home. Coming home, coming home. It feels like coming home.